All right. LongWalker's back, so that means it's math time.
Dad slapped you with banana.
Okay.
Again, I'm making the saddle.
This is what we are doing. Experimental probability. That's what we're doing.
Do you have a clipboard today?
Moderation helps everyone
Tristan.
feel safe.
Mom is asking you a question.
No.
Tristan, why? You should have 2 of them. I haven't
This
even
is
seen
all
mine.
live.
I haven't even seen mine. Why don't you have them?
Why not? This is what I do every day.
See, we have more.
Right, there's a person here.
Parents than we do with the Western ones.
That's fine. Let it be. Okay.
Every day, this is what I do.
Okay, this is like I said, that's what we're doing. So you will use experimental probabilities to make predictions and solve problems. Example, 7SP6. Caitlin finds that the experimental probability of her making a goal in hockey is 30%. Out of 500 attempts to make a goal, about how many could she predict she would make?
That's what.
Okay, so it says 3/10 times 500 equals X. 150 equals X. Caitlin can predict that she will make about 150 out of 500 goals that she attempts. Understand that?
Yeah, you should be able to grasp this one.
Okay, so 3/5 of 500. 3/10. Sorry, 3/10 of 500
So 5,000
would be
times.
150.
Okay.
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 Now, what it means to you. You will use data to determine experimental probabilities. Example, 7SP7B. Anders buys a novelty coin that is weighed more heavily on one side. He flips the coin 60 times, and the head comes up 36 times based on his results.
If you
What
flip
is
a
the
coin,
experimental
how does that change the weight?
probability of flipping a
It
head?
doesn't. It was just saying that, like, when you flip a coin, like, one side of it's gonna like.
Okay.
That's chance.
So,
I don't know.
but that's probability.
Yeah, so if you see like a quarter and you look to see where would it be counterbalanced, most likely with the side that has more designs on it might be heavier, right? So
Yeah.
it might be like tails more often than heads. It's statistics.
Why do we need to know this?
Okay.
You will.
Experimental probability is number of times event occurred and total number of trials.
There's just one thing this could help us with. What are they chasing?
Okay, well, hold on, come on.
Science.
And the
Going over this.
world.
So it's 36 over 600 would equal, so 36 times, which, you know, it's over half. Because 30 is half of 60. So it's 6 over half. So the experimental probability of flipping a head is 3/5.
Okay.
Okay. Now, 12-1 probability. Finding the likelihood in event. Each time you roll a number cube, a number from 1 to 6 lands face up. This is called an event. Working with a partner, decide how many of the 6 possible results of the rolling a number could match the described event.
Here's my partner.
You guys have a die.
Just kidding. It's a die. Roll it.
Okay,
Heads or tails?
hold on, dude. Okay, so this says rolling a number less than 7. So it says work with a partner and decide how many of the 6 possible results of rolling a number cube match the described event. So
1, 2, 3, 4,
out of
5, 6.
6 trials, rolling a number less than 7.
You need a die.
Well, okay, that first one should be easy though. And it says, then order the events least likely to most likely by writing a number in each box to the right.
1, 1, 1.
Okay, so
1, 2, 2,
we'll do that,
3, 2,
but
3, 4,
first
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
we gotta fill this first part in. I'll be your partner. Mom already said that we need a dice.
A die.
Die.
There's one out by one of the signs out there.
I remember. Okay.
Okay, come on, dude.
Part of your.
This is serious.
He's so grouchy at me, you know?
You've always been working all day.
Yeah.
I can embarrass you in front of all my friends.
He'll be right back.
Today I found one of his very first walkthroughs of a video game. It was Mario Odyssey. He must have only been like 7, maybe 6 years old. It's freaking hilarious. It's so funny. Not much has changed. And he even says in there, he's like, if you guys have any tips or tricks, please comment below. And he's like, I don't know why I said that because I'm probably not going to post this.
I know he does so a lot.
I know. It was like he was made for that.
Yeah. But this first one, rolling a number less than 7. You're rolling a dice 1 through 6.
That's
A number less than 7, that's 100%.
That's any of them.
Yeah.
Just can't do all.
Rolling an 8.
Is it possible? What are they talking about?
People, I'm so good at guessing. I'm gonna roll a 1.
A run?
Hold on. Okay. So work with a partner to decide how many of the 6 possible results of rolling a number cube could match the described event. So, rolling a number less than 7.
I honestly think that a number cube, you guys, is actually a different thing. I think it does have like up to 10 on it. But we don't have one of those, so.
So we have this.
It says each time you roll a number cube,
Yeah.
a number from 1 to 6 lands face up.
You got
It says it right here.
that owes me.
That
10.
is called an event.
LongWalker owes me $5, so I can roll 5.
Well, read this, dude. Look,
Oh!
that's good. Okay, rolling a number less than 7 on a number cube that's 1 to 6.
Not possible.
Why?
Why?
It's possible.
No.
No, that's not what we're asking, dude. It's what's the probability of rolling a number less than 7 on a number cube 1 to
You
6?
mean more than 7?
No, roll a number less than 7.
Oh, yeah.
That's chance. That's the right chance.
No.
Dude, you're not getting
Because-
this. Listen. Rolling a number less than 7
There's a chance.
on a number cube 1 to 6.
Less than 7.
There's a 100% chance that you will roll a number less than 7 because there are only numbers less than 7. There's nothing over 7. So
Okay, true.
There's a 100%
That's what I'm trying to get you to
So,
take in, dude.
So think
You need
about
to
that.
listen.
Okay. Well, technically, on the tiniest side here is nothing. But yes, it's right. There's a 100% chance.
No, you really need to listen, though, dude. I mean,
I
you're
will
not.
next
no,
ones. Let's see next.
you weren't. No, you were just. Oh, I don't
I
know.
weren't.
Pay attention, okay? Okay, rolling an 8.
Not possible. 0% chance.
There
Guess
you
what?
go.
There
I'm
you go.
smart. There's no 8. Boom.
Okay, rolling a number greater than 4.
Possible. Like, there's like a 30. There's like an 70% chance.
I think they're probably looking for a 50% chance because
4. Rolling a
We can't
number
get over
greater than 4. You only have 4
it's a
greater
six-
than 4, so 5 and 6.
it's
That's
a
it.
60% chance, right?
No.
I like it when I said the
Rolling
five-
a number greater than 4. So 4 doesn't even count. So it's 5 and 6. So it's going to be 2 out of 6.
20% chance.
2, 6.
20.
That would be 80%.
I can't believe that. I was like this.
I mean, it would be 80%.
That you won't.
That you won't, right?
But this is not asking won't.
Non-Walker's face.
20%
Yeah, so
chance.
20% chance.
Non-Walker's face when I said I'm going to roll a 5 and he owes me $10.
Okay. Do you have the...
I have dice.
No, you need a pencil, though, too. We got to fill this in. Okay. So, no, you're doing it, dude. Don't start this. Okay, so this first one, we already talked about that. What is that? Okay. Rolling an 8. Okay. Rolling a number greater than 4.
That was like 20, right?
Mhm.
I actually got something right. Yeah.
Okay. Rolling a 5.
Rolling a 5. That's like a 10% chance.
There you go.
I just did it.
Yeah.
5.
Okay. Rolling a number other than 6.
There's like a 90% chance.
This is how I figured what kind of colored dogs we're going to get when we have a litter, you know.
Rolling an even number. Yeah, exactly
50.
though.
50% chance.
You take a look at the most immediate lineage. It's like you're gonna have a black or you're gonna have a gray, you know.
Yeah. Okay, rolling a number less than 5.
80% chance.
Yes, I believe I think that's right. Rolling an odd number.
50.
Rolling a number divisible by 3.
Huh? There's like a, isn't there like a 10%?
3
or
and 6.
That's like a 8, that's a 20.
3 or 6.
So 20% chance.
All right, let's see if
Okay,
I
hold
can.
Are any of the events impossible?
One is.
Okay, then tell them. Say yes. And tell them what it is. You can't just say yes. It has to be. No, why? Rolling an 8 on a 1, 2, 6 cube. Now we got to go back through here. And 1 through 9, 1 being the most likely and 9 being the least likely. Hold on.
This is easy.
1 being the least likely, 9 being the most likely. What is
9. 1.
There you go.
No praise.
Very good. Okay. Describing events.
Ah.
An experiment is an activity involving chance in which results are observed. Each observation of an experiment is a trial, and each result is an outcome. A set of one or more outcomes is an event. The probability of an event, written P event, measures the likelihood that the event will occur. Possibility is a measure between 0 and 1, as shown on the number line. You can be written as a fraction, a decimal, or a percent. If the event is not likely to occur, the probability of the event is close to 0. If an event is likely to occur, the probability is closer to 1. Example 1. Tell whether each event is impossible, unlikely, or likely.
Likely as not.
Hold on. Impossible, unlikely, as not, likely, or certain. Then tell whether the possibility is 0 or close to 0, a half, or close to 1, 1. Okay. You roll a 6-sided number cube, and the number is 1 or greater.
Likely. Wait, hold on. What, 6-sided? 6-sided? Hold on a second.
They're 6-sided.
7.
No, it's not 6.
How do you know?
Because it only goes to 6. It doesn't go to 7.
But there's also the insides too.
They each have a letter or number on them.
You roll a 6-sided number cube, and the number is 1 or greater. As likely as not.
But shouldn't that be certain?
No?
Because look at, you roll a 6-sided number cube, and the number is 1 or greater.
Oh, it's certain.
Then you have to put that next to it.
What was your day overall?
It's good. Okay. Now,
How was
hold
your
on.
day, Mom?
Tired.
Okay. B. You roll 2 number cubes, and the sum of the number is 3.
Unlikely.
Hold on.
It's unlikely.
I think you're right. That sounds about right. Unlikely for that one.
Tell me. Tell me
Tell you what.
what it said.
Said you roll 2 number cubes, and the sum of the number is 3.
No, that's probably not gonna happen.
So unlikely. Okay. C. A bowl contains discs marked with the numbers 1 through 10. You close your eyes and select a disc at random. You pick an odd number.
As likely as not.
Yeah, because you're only reading them.
As likely as not.
Because they give the answers.
Well, but I mean, you understand why though.
Yeah, I know. Because
I mean, it's like a 50-50 chance that
Yeah.
you will pick an even or an odd number randomly. A bowl.
Yeah, I know. Okay, hold on.
I have
D.
to write it.
Okay. Now, a spinner has 8 equal sections marked 0 through 7. You spin and land on a prime number.
Likely.
Likely?
Uh-huh.
That would still be a 50-50 shot.
A prime number.
Prime or, yeah.
Or maybe even less than that.
It says it here. It says prime. It says, the 50-50, the as likely as not.
Kind of like this. Because I have just right.
I don't think you're supposed to, but I'm just trying to get it into your head. So, the probability of event A is 1/3. The probability of event B is 1/4. Can you conclude?
Yeah.
What can you conclude about the 2 events? They're not in the same event.
Right?
Because one's a third and one's a fourth.
What are you just saying?
Do you know that one, hon?
No. If you question, then just skip over it and go on to ones that you do know.
Okay.
One of them.
Okay. Finding probability. A sample space is the set of all possible outcomes for an experiment. A sample space can be small, such as the 2 outcomes when the coin is flipped, or a sample space can be large, such as the possible number of Texas classic automobile license plates. Identifying the same space can help you calculate the possibility of an event. So, probability of event, P such event. The top number is number of outcomes in the event. The bottom is number of outcomes in the sample space.
You'll use this in coding too.
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we got that. Most of this is just all more.
Oh, there you go. What's that?
There's yeah, okay. Why do the probability of an event and the probability of an complement add? Hold on, here we missed something. That's why we have to go over everything because. Okay. So this is and we didn't do that one either. So hold on, because there's questions here. I don't know that one, but what about this one? A hat contains pieces of paper marked with the numbers 1 through 16. Tell whether picking an even number is impossible, unlikely, as not, likely, or certain. Tell whether the possibility is 0 or close to 1. Okay, so a hat that contains pieces of paper marked with numbers 1 through 16. And tell, you're going to pick an even number out of that. What do you think that is? 1 through 16.
Even number is like 50%.
So
Easy.
it asks though. It says tell whether it is the impossible, unlikely, likely is not, likely, or certain.
Likely it's not.
Okay, then you have to put that in, and then it says tell whether it's 0, 1/2, or 1.
And 1/2.
Okay. What is the probability of rolling an even number on a standard number dice?
What?
Step 1. Find the sample space for a standard number cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 possible outcomes. Step 2. Find the number of ways to roll an even number. 2, 4, 6. The event can occur 3 ways. Step 3. Find the probability of rolling an even number, which is number of rolls number of ways to roll an even number, number of faces on a number cube. So it's 3 out of 6, which equals 1/2. Substitute values and simplify. The probability of rolling an even number is 1/2. Your turn. It says, find each probability, write your answer in the simplest form. So picking a purple marble from a jar with 10 green and 10 purple. So what's your probability of picking a purple?
50.
There you go. 50%. Really? Look at them.
Mm-hmm.
Or 1/2.
They have to try and eat that.
Rolling a number greater than 4 on a standard number cube. So greater than 4.
chance.
So you have 5 and 6.
80.
2 out of 6.
20.
2 out of 6. Oh no, but they want it in this right now. So 2 out of 6, but you can simplify that. What is that? So it's 1.
1/3.
Yep.
I used to know these things really well.
And then the school got involved.
Yeah.
And now you've forgotten.
Come on.
Using the complement of an event. The complement of an event is the set of all outcomes in the sample space that are not included in the event. For example, in the event of rolling a 3 on a number cube, the complement is rolling any number other than a 3, which means the complement is rolling a 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. An event and its complement. The sum of the probabilities of an event and its complement equals 1. P event plus P complement equals 1. You can apply a probability to situations involving random selections, such as drawing a card out of a shuffled deck or pulling a marble out of a closed bag. Example 3. There are 2 red jacks in a standard deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of not getting a red jack if you select 1 card at random? Okay, so there's 52 cards. So
You have 50 opportunities to pull not that. So like,
yeah.
Like a 97% chance there. 98%.
98. So it's a 98. Let's see what it says here. It's a 25 out of 26%. Not percent, but the.
Yeah, so, then that's actually 99.
And 50 out of 52, which is what you said. Simplify. The probability you will not draw a red jack is 25 out of 26. It is likely that you will not select a jack. Okay.
It's certain.
We're going here. And
almost is likely that you won't.
why do the probability of an event and the probability of its complement add up to 1? Okay. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to word this. Why do the probability of an event and the probability of its complement add up to 1? Because that's telling you what the whole number is, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I mean, it seems pretty self-explanatory. I never know how they want you to answer that. It's like because the one thing takes up this so much, and the other thing takes up that.
There you go.
And
Mom said it perfectly. Yeah.
What?
Because the probability of an event takes up say half of the equation, and then the other takes up the other half, equaling 1.
Look how white they are.
I know. They're gorgeous.
The probability it takes half, and then what else takes half?
Look at right here.
The probability and then
And
the complement. So today, because Zelda brought in various animals to eat, we brought in the mole from this morning.
Is it that one that's...
It's oh no, it went under.
Oh, shit.
Gotta get him. Hun.
I know.
There's that.
Pardon my language.
My stuff is under there. My papers.
Mom, like this. It's in here. Pet, 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 pet.
I am sorry, kitty, but I can't do this. Yeah. There you go, hon.
What do you want me to do this?
Oh, I don't know. I just don't want to go back under.
Did he make a mess?
I don't see anything, but I can't see too far under because it got waved, but it wasn't near your papers. It was in the back corner.
Here, I'm bringing this to like scan the area.
That poor Sam's the only one down there too.
I don't see anything, hon.
Sorry, baby.
Doesn't mean that, it's not a mess, Sorry, kitty. I know.
It's because they're not eating solid food yet, and they're
I know.
supposed
They're
to.
supposed to be.
Make sure you wash your hands.
Yes, I know.
What's going on.
Hey, come on, dude.
Where are you going?
Move on and talk about it, dude. I don't need to be going over everything with
I
you.
don't want to talk. I don't want to talk about that.
You're live streaming.
I know.
Yeah. So go to the.
Dad, the horses are by the tree.
What?
Horses are by the oak tree.
And
Shepherding.
Pay attention. Because it's your turn. A jar contains 8 marbles marked with the numbers 1 through 8. You pick a marble at random. What is the probability of not picking the marble marked with the number 5? Okay, so you're picking a marble out of 8 marbles, 1 through 8.
Okay.
What is the probability of not picking number 5? So it'd be 1/8.
What do I have to do with
So it'd be not likely. 1/8.
one what?
1/8. 1/8. Okay. You roll a standard number cube. Use the possibility of rolling an even number to find the probability of rolling an odd number. Okay, so it's 50-50. Okay. In a hat, you have index cards with the numbers 1 through 10 written on them. Order the events from least likely to happen, 1, to most likely to happen, 8, when you pick a card at random. In the boxes, write a number from 1 to 8 to order the 8 different events. Okay, you pick a number greater than 1, so that's going to be the most likely. Because a number greater than 0. I mean, they're all greater than 0.
So 8?
Yes. Okay. You pick an even number. Hold on. We don't know yet. So you pick a number that is at least 2. That's going to be... Okay, hold on. You pick a number that is at most 0.
7, right?
No, that would be 1. Okay. You pick a number divisible by 3. You pick a number divisible by 5. You pick a prime number. You pick a number less than the greatest prime number. Okay, so...
Too much stains. I'm going to sleep. Oh. Oh!
Huh.
Hi, Yeet. Yeet's here.
Hello.
I'll be back later. Yeah, we're not going to be here later on this stream. Yeet's
Yeet's
here.
on.
oh, cool.
She said I'll be back later.
She liked it. Okay, honey.
Yeah, this
we
is
have to do these. It's marking them 1 to 8, 1 being the least likely, 8 being the most likely to happen, right?
Yes.
And then it's okay. The first one was you pick a number greater than 0. Obviously 8,
Yes.
the most likely. But then I'm getting into this one I got confused on. You pick a number that is at most 0. That would be 1, the least likely to happen, right? That's pretty much there's no way. This is you pick a number that is at least 0 or at most 0.
Then no.
That would be 1.
Yeah, because they don't have a 0 on the number dice, right?
Yeah, but then it goes into you pick a number, an even number. There's another one that you pick a prime number, which I think those two would be pretty similar. Then you pick a number divisible by 3. You pick a number divisible by 5.
Okay. Well, there's only going to be so many choices. There's 3 and then there's 6.
Okay, so I would say you pick an even number would be 7.
okay.
A prime number would be 6. Okay. You pick a number that is at least. Oh wait, hold on. You pick a number that is at least 2.
That's like
Okay, so sorry. That one would be 7. This would be
this would be 6.
6, and the other one would be 5.
Oh, sorry, kitten.
I would say this one here is 4. And then 3. And then 2 at the bottom. Divisible by 5. There's only 1. 5. 5 in its own is only divisible by. Okay. Guided practice. Determine whether each event is impossible, unlikely, at least as likely as not likely, or certain. And then also the whole 0, 1/2, or 1. So randomly picking a green card from a standard deck of playing cards. What?
Green?
That's
Green?
like
Impossible.
it's impossible
Yeah.
unless
So
you
that has to be
customize it.
impossible.
Unless it's a custom deck.
Yeah.
But how are we
It's
supposed to know that?
standard. It's a standard.
Yeah, standard. So no, that's impossible. And that's going to be what?
Unless they
And
change
what's the second
standards.
thing you have to? Yes, the second thing you have to do is 0, 1/2, or 1. So what's
0.
okay? 2.
Really?
That was 2.
Hey.
Okay.
Stop
3.
it.
Randomly picking a red card from a standard deck of playing cards.
Well, as likely as not.
Yes. Because they're half red, half black.
Oh, the little one's trying to come up there now.
I don't know if it can though. It's got milk shoots.
You're lucky.
Really? You're
I ain't bad.
You're so bad at being live.
No one's on. We're good, but it still is on live. It's likely as not, which is what. There you go. Perfect.
You
Okay.
just embarrassed me.
Picking a number less than 15 from a jar with papers labeled from 1 to 12.
Picking a number less than 15. That's impossible. Wait, what?
Well, I don't know. It's not impossible
no.
because it says a number less than 15 from a jar labeled 1 to 12. So what would that be? Because there still is possibilities that you can.
Less than 15. It's still going to be less than 12. Right?
Yeah. So that's going to be it.
There's still a slim possibility. I mean, actually, it's a pretty decent possibility. There's.
Well, no, it's certain.
Yeah.
You were going to.
Yeah. Wait, less than 15?
Yeah, a number that is less than 15
Yeah,
from
no
a jar
matter
of 1.
what, yeah.
Yeah,
In a
it's
jar of 12,
certain.
no matter what, it's going to be less than 15.
Yeah, so that's certain.
That's certain.
Yeah. So what is it?
1.
Okay.
Picking
Picking a number that is divisible by 5 from a jar with papers labeled from 1 to 12. Okay, and the number has to be divisible by 5. So there's 5 is divisible by itself. What else is divisible by 5? 1 to 12.
5.
Yes,
10.
10.
That's
So there's 2.
Okay.
So
So anyway, she brought in a mole before you left. I remember the mouse before you left. Then she brought in a bird. Head hanging and all fluffy and broken neck and everything. Brings it in here. Chase her out. I'm
my
like,
God.
go get a mole or something if you're gonna do that. She went and got a mole. Brought that in next.
Are you kidding me?
3 things today.
And that probability is as likely as not.
But
Okay.
I was like, okay, this is enough for this live stream. Let's
So-
go done.
That's 2. So it's years of like hold
As likely as not.
on.
I have 9 times an IQ.
I would say unlikely.
0.
Okay. Now, find each probability. Write the answer in simplest form. Spinning a spinner that has 5 equal sections marked 1 through 5 and landing on an even number.
That's like
1 through 5.
That's
There's not very many even.
2 and
numbers there.
4.
it's unlikely.
So 1.
1 out of 3.
Yeah, 1/3. 1/3. Okay. Picking a diamond from a standard deck of playing cards, which has 13 cards in each 4 suits. Spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. So that's 1/4.
2 out of 3. Sorry. The last one's you have 2 opportunities and there's 3 opportunities not to.
So it's 2 out of 3.
Right? Is that right?
That'd be 2 out of 5, wouldn't it?
Yeah, because you want
One
5
th-
total.
1/3, I think, is.
Right, there you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Picking a diamond from a standard deck of playing cards, which has 13 cards in each 4 suits. So this would be 1/4.
You have 1/4 of a chance of
Yes.
I
getting
used it
diamonds.
in
Okay.
Minecraft.
Use the complement to find each probability. What is the probability of not rolling a 5 on a standard number cube?
10% chance.
No.
Like 90.
Of not rolling.
Yeah,
5.
90.
90. So it'd be 5/6.
Yeah, you have to do that.
Or 90%. You can
A
right next to
spinner
it.
has 3 equal sections that are red, white, blue, and blue. White, red, blue. What is that from? Why is that from?
That are white.
What is?
No, red, white, and blue.
Why
What is the
that sounds
probability
familiar?
of not landing on blue?
Uh,
2/3.
Okay.
A spinner has 5 equal sections marked 1 through 5. What is the probability of not landing on a 4?
90.
Oh.
9,000.
It'd be 4/5.
Orphans. Okay, knew that.
There are 4 queens in a standard deck of 52 cards. You pick 1 card at random. What is the probability of not picking a queen?
So you do
50
52
so 50
minus 4,
No, hold on.
and then find out what the remaining amount is.
Okay, 52 minus 4, which would be 2 more 8. So that's 48.
38.
So 48 out of 52, right?
If that's the format that they're
Yeah.
using, then yeah.
48 out of 42.
48 out of 52. There's 52 cards, dude. Okay, essential question. Check in. Describe an event that has a probability of 0 and an event that has a probability of 100. This is on you, all on you. Like, make up an event that has a 100% success rate and one that has 0. 2 different events. This really isn't a wrong answer
know.
thing. This is just however you can come up with it.
Baroni.
There's a 100% chance that the sun. No, can't even say that. The sun will rise, but you know.
Well, set. There's 100%
I mean, nothing is certain in my life.
Well, There's a 100% possibility that if I keep doing this, it'll go into my eye.
So that's about 70% from what I've been watching. Still high odds, right?
Yep.
All right.
Come on, dude. I need you. We're not going over this with you. This is on you, this one.
Can you go over with me?
No. I think this is, let's see, if this is your last one.
How many minutes? Yeah, I mean, you're almost at 40 minutes. So, I mean, this is it.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to put in some double time this weekend, I think, to catch it up. But
Yep.
I'm just wondering because you said you'll be back later.
I know. Well, then you can catch your all plane later.
unless she wants to help you with her.
So come on, you just have to come up with events. Yeah, that's all. It's just asking you to say an event. Wow. You hear Mama? She's like,
That I will die. It means
What?
there's 0% chance that I will ever die.
See, I can't even say that. I can't even say 100% chance that I will die someday. 'Cause it's like, I haven't seen it yet.
There's no chance, promise.
But I guess that's probably the best one to go with.
Yeah, he did. And then now, what's a 0% chance?
I haven't done it yet.
That's what I'm saying. You need to do it.
And I'm worried now because she just ate like 3 wild animals.
I know. So, is that the reason that one's going blind? Or
And is that why the other one has like, yucky poops?
0% chance that I will get sick.
test fate?
Lose.
So quiet here.
God, I am done.
Okay.
All right. So that's it for
Yeah.
math.
He's got
That's
that
it for the schoolwork for today.
Yep.
Thank
Good
you
job,
for
dude.
joining us in Miyakota's Monastery class time. He looks so thrilled.
Mhm.
You got it done. Thank you. Thank you, Yeet, for
Mhm.
stopping by, showing your support. See you on Minecraft later.